Good morning, this is Lonely Trades. Hope you guys had a great trading day. Today I made a whopping $2.38 trading Nasdaq in New York at open session. I only traded it with this account with only one micro contract because recently I felt like my New York performance was not that great as usual, so decided to only trade with one micro until I regain the confidence and will be back strong once I gain the confidence with my usual risk size, which is $500 / roughly 10 micros per trade. Coming to the market, I was pretty bullish because the market dumped overnight, but after taking this London low and this low again, it literally swept and pumped. This is a very bullish candle. It's even more apparent if you look at 15-minute and 5-minute time frames. In the 15-minute time frame, price confirms CISD here, very bullish. In the 5-minute time frame, it already confirmed CISD here, re-swept this low and confirmed CISD again here. Then created an order block and inversing this bearish 5-minute fair value gap here as well. So it was pretty bullish. Plus, this is not a great target for shorts because it's such a long rejection. However, longs had a very great target. For example, this was my initial target, which is London high, relative equal highs and London high plus 4-hour inefficiency. In 4 hours, this was untouched inefficiency. We also had previous day high, which was a great target because look at these highs. Because it doesn't have much resistance. So once these are taken, it's very easy to take the previous day high, which is a great draw on liquidity. So I was bullish. However, finding an entry was not easy because price didn't give me a pullback. The first opportunity came around here. Price really quote pulled back inside OTE, created a CISD. However, we also had bearish fair value gap, higher time frame, and they reckon it was 5 minutes and 15 minutes. So I didn't want to go against it, especially price is that high. But recently price action was it's high, then keep going high until market opens. So I think I should have entered here. The second opportunity came when market pulled back to EQ and then created a CISD. The reason I did not like this entry was because of this candle. This was a confirmation candle and it looks really weak. So I didn't want to enter, especially when market is again very high and it just took London high. Now, my first trade was a mistake. I suddenly swapped my bias to short because the London high was taken, market reacted bearish inside this 5-minute fair value gap. And here we had 1-minute bearish fair value gap that got rejected, and CISD was confirmed. Went for 1 hour and got wrecked. Should not have entered that really. Because still the move is very bullish and market reacted at this order block. My second entry was I figured out that when market is still bullish, like simply bullish structure, nothing bearish about it, when market created CISD here, inside the equilibrium, manipulated this low, created CISD, also inversed this 1-minute bearish fair value gap. I entered. Stop loss below this 1-minute bullish fair value gap, targeting 1 hour, and it hit my target. And since I lost once, I won the next time. and I only traded with 1 micro. I won $2.38 here. So hope you guys have a great day and see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.